Welcome to Toaster Travels. We are Jay and Laura Smith, and with our dog Coda, we travel in our camper van Toaster. In part 1 of our video, we took you to Pratt, Kansas. Coda found some great smells, and Jay and I took a ridiculously windy ride uphill all the way and even had to cut the ride short. We also entertained our first van guest. The race is called
Open Range Gravel Race.
It's a gravel race, and you are racing how many miles?
It's officially 129 miles of gravel and single track and double track and fields.
Is it fun?
Don't know yet.
It sounds
ask
horrible.
me at the end of tomorrow.
Okay, insert clip. All right, I need an adjective.
I can't. It's going to be super hard. It's going to be a really hard race.
So coming up, you're going to see how Jay fared on his 200-kilometer ride in the wind and the dust. But what do I do while he's gone all day long? Look at that, on my way to the restroom. And little train trucks. So we're gonna give train rides today. People always want to know about the bathroom situation. No, we don't go number 2 in our van if we don't have to. This is life. There's even toilet paper. Look. Started taking its lap around. Well, I've got breakfast. My breakfast is oatmeal with apples and cinnamon. So good. Like plain oatmeal, real apples, and actual cinnamon. Not the really good kind that you used to eat when you were little, right? Or maybe you still do. That's what Jay had this morning. Jay left this morning at some ridiculous hour. I don't know, 7:15. It is now, I can't even read my watch. I have no idea what time it is. Probably 10. And I'm up and moving. So what am I going to do on a day like this? And when we're in Colorado, there's going to be a lot of days like this. Well, I have a lot of jobs that I do. So I love this kind of time because it's just my time to get caught up on all the jobs that I do. So I am going to take Coda on a long walk. We've already been on one walk. I'm going to take her on a long walk. I am going to clean up. One thing I do in the van that I don't do at home is I clean up right away, usually. I swear, this is the most low-key, chill dog, right? All she needs is a little window so she can see the world. Is that right? Are you my cat dog? Are you the easiest dog on the planet? Yes, you are. Coda, you're missing the train go by. You're missing all the action. She seriously even falls asleep. She literally falls asleep looking out the window. Please take a minute to talk about these adorable pillows I got at Wally's when we were in St. Louis. Are they not the best? Coda likes to sleep here at night sometimes when she gets sick of sleeping in the bed with us. So what I was going to do is take you on a little journey with me to fill the water container. Jay never lets me do anything like this. So this is literally the first time that I have put these things back here like this with this Velcro. I don't think he trusts me, and he shouldn't. One of these doors is probably going to slam on me right now. There goes the train. How cute is that train? Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this water jug and I'm going to bring it out and fill mine. He swears it's really easy, but I'll be honest, I hate these things with a passion. I don't even know how it works. This is why he does all this stuff. I bet we put it like this. Oh, but then we got to put it on the end of. Come on, baby, let's work. Laura needs water. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, we got water. Still filling it. We have these plastic jugs that we can flatten out if we want to. We figured we'd use one to refill our drinking water and the other one to probably refill just to use, like to cook with and to shower with. Okay, well, I don't like that, but there's probably an easier way to do it that Jay knows. So we're just gonna go with that. Okay, and if you haven't noticed, I still haven't gotten dressed and it's like noon. That's okay. Guys, she just totally got out. You are not on a leash. You're in trouble. Oh my gosh. You're in trouble, young lady. Let's go. You're in trouble. Yeah, get in, toaster. Leash on, much better. You stay close, goofball. Ugh. Craziness. Next up, I'm gonna do some editing, then I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm going for a walk with Coda. My absolute favorite thing, my awesome ice. I've talked about this before, but it's the Crate and Barrel ice, whatever you call it. And one works for like the whole day. One in a cup. It's fantastic. So during all of this time, I was definitely checking on the route and where Jay was and how close he was getting to the finish line. Just getting ready to go out for a walk. I just got a call from Jay. He's in Medicine Lodge, Kansas. They've got another 50 miles. The guy next to us got back. He did the like 100K, and he said that there's like 40-mile-an-hour headwinds. People are dropping like flies as far as like asking for rides, like, you know, needing to get sagged back. And Jay says they're just going to trudge through. So I'm going to go for a walk while he rides 129 miles in crazy winds. It's fine. You know, all in a day. Yep, just lost my hat. Thankfully, I had a ponytail, but check out these flags. Oh my gosh. Those flags. Yeah, that would be a little windy. Come on, guys, you got this. You're crazy.
Porch, drink beer with you.
Like you really read that fast the whole time. Good job, guys. Woohoo! Good job. Yay! All right, I need an adjective.
I can't.
You have a red face.
I put sunscreen on.
You're clean.
Ish.
You made the shower a dirty mess.
Yeah.
So tell us about the ride.
It was really, really hard.
And
I knew it would be, but it was really hard. And not for the terrain, which was hard enough, but it was mainly the sustained 27-mile-an-hour winds with gusts to near 50. It just soul-sucking.
But you did it.
Hard. We did it.
And I asked you, I said, so what do you think about doing these kinds of things in the future? Do you remember what you said back to me?
What you said is, have you learned anything? I said,
Oh, yeah, that's what I said.
I have not.
Yeah. Have you learned anything from this experience? No. So what's your next race that you're going to do? Do you know?
I know the next one I'm not doing is Unbound Gravel, but I'm going to go down and ride around.
Yeah.
And I'm not actually doing Unbound this year.
Right.
What I have learned is have no desires to do a 200-mile race anymore. I've done them. I did what I wanted to do on them. This was 129 miles. Really, really tough 129 miles. But yeah, the 200-mile gravel races, I'll never do that.
That's good. I'm very proud of you.
Yeah, done that. Not doing it.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that. Accomplished what I wanted to. I don't need to do a super ultra distance gravel race.
I'm sorry, 30 miles is super ultra distance. Coda, what do you think about what your dad did today? You don't care, do you? Look at that nose. Look at that nose. That nose is sniffing. Bye-bye. 6th Street Park. It was a lovely stay. I know, you already went up here. No. Dump station. Next stop. All right. Dump station's closed, so we take our dump home with us. Goodbye, Pratt, Kansas. I don't know what to say. It was windy, and it's going to be 75 and no winds today. Yay!
Beautiful day.
Yeah. No, you're not sitting in my lap yet. We are getting off at a rest stop. Where are we? Not just
South of Emporia.
South of Emporia. I got to teach a class. I'm going to make Jay some lunch, which is what's fun about having a van, is that we got lunch in the car. So we're just going to pull over. I'm going to teach my class lunch, let the dog run, make our way back home. Toaster gets a little mad when I'm not in my seat, but Jay found a better place to park. In a park. In a park, in a park.
Hang on, almost there.
Much better.
Isn't it though?
Yeah. Good job, dear. I have stellar Wi-Fi. I'm ready for class. I like to stand here. I just kind of stretch my hamstrings out while I stretch. My little mobile classroom. I love it. It's so awesome to be able to pull over and teach. Lunch. He's so proud. Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Go to the next. Thanks for watching. If you missed part 1 of this 2-part series, you can see that in the comments below, or we'll probably have it linked right here. We're getting ready to take Toaster on a month-long trip to Colorado. We can't wait to take you along, and hopefully our videos will have a more interesting ending than just me handing Jay a bowl of yogurt with granola.